शृणुयाम देवाः भद्रं पश्येम अक्षभिर्यजत्राः स्थिरैरङ्गैः तुष्टुवागुंसस्तनूभिः व्यसेम देवहितं यदायुः स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धश्रवाः स्वस्ति नः पूषा विश्ववेदाः स्वस्ति नस्तार्क्ष्यो अरिष्टनेमिः स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्ददातु ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम अग्ने नया सुपथाराये अस्मान् विश्वानि देव वजुनानि विद्वान् जुयोध्यस्मज्जुहुराणमेनो भूयिष्ठां ते नम उक्तिं विधेम। ओम शांति शांति शांति। ओम आप्यायन्तु ममाङ्गानि वाक्प्राणश्चक्षुः श्रोत्रमथो बलमिन्द्रियाणि च सर्वाणि सर्वं ब्रह्म उपनिषदं माहं ब्रह्म निराकुर्याम् मा ब्रह्म निराकरोतु अनिराकरणमस्त्वनिराकरणं मे अस्तु तदात्मनि निरतेय उपनिषत्सु धर्माः ते मयि सन्तु ओम शांति शांति शांति। I am reciting the Surya Suktam, Saurya Suktam, sloka number 47 and 48. Om Shanno Bhavachakshasa Shanno Anhasham Bhanunasham Hima Sham Ghrunena Yatha Shamadvam Shamasadhurone Tatsurya Dravinam Dehi Chitram Asmakam Deva Ubhaya Yajanmane Sharma Yachata Dipade Chatushpade Adat Pibadurjayama Namasitam Tadasme Shamyorarapodadhatana. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om Namo Bhagavate Surya Narayanaya. Om Namo Bhagavate Surya Narayanaya. So we have been trying to understand and recite and learn the most important text by name Taittiriya Aranyaka, wherein we get the Aruna Prashna chapter, the beginning chapter of the Aruna Prashna of Taittiriya Aranyaka, which originally contains around 6 prashnas or 6 sections. Among them, the whole Aranyaka, that is to be followed when people retire to the forest. Even Aruna Prashna also, there is a indication or instruction, Aranye dhiyita pratishthavan bhavati. So these texts have got to be practiced when one retires to forest, in the sense that it is called Vanaprastha Ashrama. Vanaprastha, proceeding towards the forest. Forest, in the sense, a secluded area where we will be free from the buzz of the city and onslaught of the many things, plus more and more people, uninterested also, will be available for us. So it is a serene, secluded, divine place where you will be yourself. When you are yourself, you will be able to focus on the upliftment of yourself. And in that context, the Atma Yoga Karaka, Atma Karaka, Surya Narayana is the right God. So Surya Narayana is Atma Karaka. So Jagataha Tastushascha in Aruna Prashna also, he is the overlord, he is the Atma for all that which are existent upon the earth, which are mobile and immobile. So he is the Karanakarta and he is the a responsible God or divine force sitting up in the heaven, operating and administering many things which are connected to be taking place in this upon this earth. So there is a lot of organizational skill, administrative expertise, and management principles regarding our people, society, world, and all that. So when we start reading or studying the Aruna Prashna, whether or not we get any punyam or whether anugraha and all that, it's a matter left for God, Surya Bhagavan. But for our own practical living and achievement or trying to overcome our difficulties or enjoy the pleasures of life and also experience too the pressures of life, for all that, Surya Bhagavan is the source book. Therefore, we will be getting a total knowledge about Surya Bhagavan and also the power which he is able to wield. And moreover, it's all Shakti. See, when you make a Gayatri Upasana or otherwise Sandhya Upasana, it is called Saura Shakti or Surya Shakti Upasana. So, and the Surya Shakti turns out to be Savita. Savita is, Savitru means the impeller. Unless there is somebody who propels, who impels, we cannot be on motion, on movement. Therefore, the Chodaka Shakti, the Chaitanya Shakti is Surya Bhagavan. And we are noting how many intelligent things are going to be there. And moreover, Surya Shakti is nothing but Amma, Lalita Parameswari. That's why we come to know Surya and Lalita Parameswari are together, and their Surya is only a source. Bhanumandala Madhyasthayai Namo Namaha. So she is complimented as one who is at the nucleus or center of the Bhanumandala, the solar region. And no, we should have already noted there is not one solar region, but there are 8 Suryas, 8 Surya solar mandalas. Say Ashta Surya Mandalani Ashtani. So there are 8 Surya mandalas, 8 Suryas, Bhanu, Khaka, Pusha, etc. Aroga, Bhraja, Patara, Patanga. So these are all the 8 Suryas, 8 Surya mandalas, and all these Surya mandalas are again included in the Aditya Mandala, the source book, and that is called, that is the operator there is Kasyapa Prajapati. Kasyapa Jyotir Labhante. We have noted already that from Kasyapa, all the Suryas get their energy and power and Prakasha. And again, these 8 Suryas are divided. The Meru Parvata being the central point. Above the Meru Parvata, there are 3 Suryas. Below this Parvata, there are 3 Suryas. And one more Surya always. And the Kasyapa Ashtama. The Kasyapa Prajapati or Sasyapa Surya, he is Ashtama. And moreover, his place is fixed. He cannot be as much mobile as Suryas or influencing enough according to the atmospheric requirements. So the Kasyapa remains the same in spite of the season or time or anything like that. Therefore, Samahamerum Najahati, we have already noted that Kasyapa only remains stationary while others keep working and causing more geographical, meteorological, etc. changes in the universe. That's what we have noted. And also in that queue, we have noted about the time, because Kala Chakra Pranetaram Surya Bhagavantam Upasmahe. See, there is a prayer that the Kala is a chakra. The time is a wheel. So Shakespeare says the wheel of time. So even Kalidasa says it's a wheel of time. Chakrara Panktiriva Gacchati Kala Pankti. He says in Megha Sandesha, the Kala Pankti is having number of spokes. And those spokes are the division of time. Therefore, when you visit Konark temple in Bhubaneswaram, this first Surya temple, which was constructed around 12th century AD, and they have constructed the Surya temple with 12,000 gold coins on those days. So there is a kind of expenditure and budget sanctioned to build the Surya temple so it's all written there with 12,000 gold coins expenditure. They were able to build the Konark temple. It has been called as Konark because it is taken as the Arka Kona. Kona means angle. Arka Kona means the angular fall of the rays of the sun right in the morning. Therefore, the Konark temple has got 4 doors. So 3 months, one season, imagine. So the Surya Kiranas directly fall upon the Mula Virat all the 12 months, indifferent to the timing and seasonal changes and so on. That is the important scientific work, that astronomical expertise which the builders used to see that the sunlight does not get deprived to fall upon the Mula Virat, Surya Narayana Swami. So I want to say that the Konarka, the first temple, and in Andhra Pradesh, we got one temple to Surya Bhagavan and all that. And so in the previous one, we understand that Surya Mandalan Yashtata Urdhvam Tesha Mesha Bhavati. So there are 8 Surya Mandalas, and then we have got a wonderful thing that the gods Mitra, Varuna, Agni are important part of Aditya, and also the sun and his rays envelop the whole 3 regions, Swarga, Martya, Patala Lokas, Bhuloka, Martyaloka, that's called. And then the rays envelop the whole 3 regions of the universe, and total representation of the mobile and immobile things. So thereby, we see in the mantra, we have already explained it. Chitram Devanam Udaganikam. See, Devanam Anikam Udagat. Anika is the face, Anika is the army. The entire power of the gods is shown forth by the presence of Surya Bhagavan. So if you just read some of the mantras of the Rig Veda, and you understand the aspiration of all gods is to become Aditya, to get identified with Aditya. So Aditya Samatejaha. So Aditya Samatejas, that is Tejas equivalent to that of Aditya, that has got to be procured. Therefore, Anikam, the face and army, and here the word is Atma. The word Atma has been used in this Chitram Devanam to indicate the body plus the inner self there. And so most important. So when we are having our body, we are trying to improve ourself inside, the Paramatma inside, with our austerities, with our daily dinachari, and so on and so forth. And thereby, we are never keeping silent. Krishna said in Gita, Nakopi tishtati akarma krutu, and karma kurvanneva tishtati. All people remain doing one or the other act. They never remain actionless. Even Isavasya Upanishad also told that if at all you want to be active, you cannot remain inactive. So that is only a false sankalpa. So that's why it says, Kuruvanneveha karmani. If you want jivitam, jijiveche satam samaha. If you want to live happily for 100 years or more, then you have to be doing karma. What is the karma? Most important is Swasanjivati Jantu. You have to be at least doing that breathing inhale and exhale and all that. Therefore, Suryatma Jagataha Tasturascha Iti. So it is not only the contribution of a fact, a scientific truth regarding Surya Bhagavan given for first time in this particular section, but this is something which is already established in our Vedas, that Surya is all in all. And now there is a kind of inquiry which we have covered also last time. Now the students will ask question, where was this cloud before? When we see clouds, when there are not clouds in the sky, where were all the clouds? That's one question. And also, where was the year before the year started counted? And also several units for the year, several combinations. And also, where was the day? Where was the Devaratri? Where was the reason, or rather, what was the reason for having the division of time? Well, these are all important questions to which answers have been provided by rishis or Vedic students by their own investigation and then tapas. So this we have noted in the mantra, Kvedamabhram nivisate Kvayagam samvatsaro mithaha Kvaha kveyam devaratri kvamasa rutavasritaha. So you observe the question, interrogative number, kwa, 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 kwa. So where? No, before, see, if at all you want to trace, when you were, where were you? I was in my mother's stomach. Where were you before? I was in my father's stomach. Where were you before? I was just in air. How are you in the air? Paramatma was. So we keep on tracing. That's exactly what kind of tracing is done by our Aitareya Upanishad. That Upanishad says the child is first conceived by father. The father, that kind of conception, he deposits in the mother because she has got the factory to make a baby. So into that factory, the baby gets in, and the baby is manufactured and prepared, ready and delivered. So this is the sequence, which we don't know, we don't see, and we are ignorant of it. Therefore, we are happy. So God wants to keep us happy so that He will not let you know many more things which you need not know. That's why it is called Upanishad. Upanishad means Rahasyam. So you have to protect certain secrets. You should not have anxiety to unravel all secrets. Something like the question paper, the questions in the question paper. All students are anxious to know the questions. But even if you know questions, you cannot do anything with that. So my professor, Dr. K. Krishnamurthy, was telling, I give you the question paper, but I see that you get 0. You don't know the questions, you will get wonderful marks. So this is what would happen. Therefore, this mantra, Kvaha Kveyam, and in Aruna Prashna, so can you trace that number, Govind Garu?
26, sir. 26 now.
Okay.
26th Anuvaka.
Okay, now we will go. And yes, afterwards, we have got next mantra. After that is Ardhamasa, Muhurtaha, Meshaha, Tuti. So these are all the time divisions. Tuti is the fraction of the second.
Yes, sir. It was last time.
And Kvema, Povanivisante, where will be all the water? And Yedito, Yanti Samprati. So now regarding the water also. So water is there in all other seasons, but not in summer. So dry, no moisture. Therefore, people are all very much fatigued during the summer time. When Varsha Kalam begins, then people get relief. Therefore, this is the kind of Prashnottara Malika, and we have immediately next answers like Krishna. It's all dialogue, like Krishna Arjuna Samvada or Bhishma Dharmaja Samvada in Vishnu Sahasranamam, or Ishvara Parvati Samvada in Vishnu Sahasranamam. So the Samvadas are there. The answer also we have noted, Kalaha Apsu Nivasante. That's one answer. Apaha Surye Samahitaha. Second answer for the question. And Abhrani Apaha Prapajyante. The clouds are acquired by the waters, owing to the water in the sun, moisture in the sun. That moisture or water content in the rays of the sun take the shape as clouds. That's why Shanno Bhavachakshusha Samhima Samghrune. So like that we make a prayer that water, all water is in sun. And sun not only gives you heat, also water, also snow, also clouds, also very good heat. Therefore, sun is a source book for any and everything that is to happen in the atmosphere. And abhrani apaha prapadyante. And where is the light? Where is the heat? Where is the lightning? The lightning is also in the Surya. Vidyutu Surya. Surya Vidyutu ide. Surya is all in all. Mr. Everybody. Mr. Everyman.
Yes, sir.
Therefore, Surya is because he is Surya. Surya means who will try to glue everything together. Grantha. You may have property, but you should be registered in some other's name. When you register in some other's name, then you are Surya.
Correct.
Otherwise, you are Aditya. Just owner of your property or Aditya. But when you execute bond, then you are a Surya Bhagavan. That's why Surya Samahita, because Suryatvam is a quality, is a function. So that's why we make a prayer in Surya Upanishad, Adityaya Vidmahe, Sahasra Kiranaya Dhimahi, Tannaha Suryaha Prachodayat. So when you recite this Veda mantra, a Mula mantra in the Surya Atharva Sirsha Upanishad, there, this is the mantra, where here, see Aditya, Sahasra Kirana and Surya. These three figure. But in other context, as taken as a Bhagavan, they say Adityaya Vidmahe. Adityaya Vidmahe. Adityaya Vidmahe. Sahasra Kiranaya Dhimahi. Tanno Bhaskaraha Prachodayatu. So Bhaskaraya Vidmahe. Mahajyutikaraya Dhimahi Tanno Adityaha Prachodayat. See, Bhaskaraya Vidmahe. So there he is supposed to, Bha means Kanti. Surya Bhagavan is the source of light, is a self-luminous body. Chandra is independent, not. So he is dependent upon Surya. Everybody is dependent upon Surya Bhagavan. That's why Surya alone is Bhaskara. Bhaskaraha, Ahaskaraha, Dinakaraha. In Amarakosha, we have Paryaya Shabdas beginning from Bhaskaro, Haskaro, and the Bharat Vishnu, Ravaras that text that about Surya Bhagavan. So he is called Dinakara, he is all that. So, illi Surya, Surye, Saptavibhakti Ekavachanam. So in Surya, Kalas are there, water is there, and then Surya, clouds are there, Vidyut is there, what is not there, everything is there. And now we come to what is the nature of the earth? Because Surya is upon the earth, and Surya is the need of Surya Bhagavan is too much for people upon the earth. Therefore, Ilinda Madabeku, I'll do from here. Chapande Om Anavarne Ime Bhumi. Decide. Unmute.
Om Anavarne Ime Bhumi.
2 times.
Om Anavarne Ime Bhumi.
Ime Chasau Charodasi.
Iyancha so charodasi. Iyancha charodasi.
Kigum Svidatrantarat Bhutam.
Kigam svidatrantara bhutam. Kigam svidatrantara bhutam.
Ye ne me vidhrute vibhoe.
Ye ne me vidhrute. Ye ne me vidhrute ubhe.
Ubhe.
Ye ne me vidhrute ubhe.
Yes, Vishnuna vidhrute bhumi.
Vishnuna vidhrute bhumi. Vishnuna vidhrute bhumi.
Iti vatsasya vedana.
Iti vatsasya vedana. Iti vatsasya vedana.
So Vatsa Maharshi or Vatsa student, he discovered the findings. Vedana means findings. So all rishis are research scholars.
Mm-hmm.
And they don't stop their research to benefit the mankind. PhD వచ్చిన వాళ్ళు జీవితం అంతా వర్క్ చేస్తూ ఉండాలి. If you are working, you are called an active PhD. If you are happy with your family contentment, then you are passive PhD. So my professor used to say. So one day after my PhD came, are you passive PhD or active PhD? So you can imagine the active PhD means when you have done some work, you should continue, inspire and contribute. So here also, Vatsa or Rishis are all active investigators. They are not at all stopping their inquiry. Whatever answers they get from their inquiry, they register it for the understanding of the posterity. Therefore, said, what is beauty? Artha anavarne ime bhumi. Ima is the bhumi is the Srilingam, Gauri Sabda. Bhumi, Gauri, Gauryav, Gauryaha. So bhumi is Srilinga, Ikara Sabda. So ime bhumi anavarne, beautiful. Earth is beautiful. We are only ugly. We make it ugly. So Prithvi Devi ekkada chusina neatga untundi. But we make it dirty. So for example, in our Western countries, everywhere they build lawns.
Yes,
You never see a bald area. If you stretch anywhere, you see long areas, all that. Likewise, even India, if you go to Godavari areas, Delta, you feel rice fields, green carpet.
Yes, sir.
A very long, after when you cross Krishna River or Godavari and around, you see large green fields. That means anavarne ime bhumi. Similarly, asaucha rodasi. Even the earth and heaven, both are beautiful. So what is that which is in between that? Even in between region Antariksha is also beautiful. So Suvarna Pushpa Urvi. So Vyasa Bhagavan says in Mahabharata, Urvi, the earth is Suvarna Pushpa, it's a golden flower. Constantly attracting, beautiful, never withering at all. Gold flowers don't wither. They constantly provide you color and attraction. Therefore, said it is Kim Situ Atra Antarat Bhutam. And Yena, another question here put, Yene me vidhrute ubhe. So the Bhumi Akashas, who sustained both together? It is, the answer is Vishnuna vidhrute bhumi. This Bhumandalam is being uplifted by Vishnu in Varaha Avataram. Therefore, he is called as Yagnavaraha Swami. He is called Yagnavaraha Swami because the earth to provide, to work for yajnas, to perform yajnas, the ground has been sustained and supplied by Varaha Swami. So when we should take Varaha Swami Darshanam before you go to Venkatramana. Because he was measuring the hours, so that Varaha Swami tired, Govindaraja Swami. Measure ಮಾಡಿ ಸುಸ್ತಾಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಆ ಮೆಷರಿಂಗ್ ಸೇರಿನ ತಲೆ ಕೆದ ಬಿಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂತಾನೆ. He doesn't have a pillow, poor fellow. He has no, he is such a work-minded. And when he got intermission for a while, he just kept that measuring vessel itself as his pillow.
Yes.
See, I don't know whether you have seen your grannies, grandmas and other people. They used to sleep keeping a brick as their headrest. If not brick, they used to have a wooden plank, wooden thing, keep their head on the wooden stuff. My grandmother was sleeping upon a wooden thing. They don't go, I mean, luxury is the last thing that earlier people wanted.
Yes, sir.
They look for necessity, and that invent necessity also. If nothing is there to rest your head little high when you want to go to sleep, even a brick is good. And I know all these laborers, they sometimes use the brick as their headrest.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Because that is easily available to them. So here also it is said that Vishnuna vidhrute, Bhumi and Akasha both are supported by Vishnu. Therefore, Akasha will not fall and Bhumi will not become sunk. You make the Bhumi sink to build your house. But by nature, Bhumi is strong. And that's why you always are bothered about soil testing for your own purpose. If you want to put a railway line, soil test first. If it is tenable, then only you put railway line.
Yes,
and
sir.
again, to put agricultural operations, you again make soil test. If not soil quite independently strong, you supply manure. When you supply manure, the earth becomes still more fertile.
Yeah, fertile.
So it's all man inventions and working. So that's why Vishnu means worker, present everywhere. Vishwam Vishnu Ashatkaraha. So he has been in charge of all kinds of jobs and trades and business people, establishments. So any business you want to do, you should salute Vishnu because he is the Vidruta. Vidruta andre supporter and uplifter. Andre artha he is just like Uddharani. Without Uddharani, you can't perform Sandhya, is it not?
Yes, sir.
It is not permitted also. Only Uddharani amount of water you should take into your hand.
Yes.
Not simply put a lot of water and drink. Achamanam means sipping the water. So it should just moisturize your lips and tongue and mouth.
Yes.
Because that is the dwaram for all dirt and good things to our body. See, the Simhadwaram manu noru, muti. Akkadi nunche chakli aina, chapati aina, పండు అయినా పాడైనా మేము వేసుకుంటాం. మందైనా ఎనీథింగ్ with which you want to get benefited, mouth is the gateway.
Yes, yes, sir.
That is the concourse to catch your flight into the stomach. That's exactly what Anjaneya did When that lady opened mouth, 80 yojanas up, he was also up. And then suddenly it became small and smallest and went into her head and her stomach, and then finished the work and came out and said, Dakshayani namostute. Amma Dakshayani namaskaram. I have fulfilled your desire. I went inside as ahara to you, and now I am out. So that Sarasa will bless him. But Simika wanted not like that. Therefore, Simika was killed. Sarasa was pleased, respected. Dakshayani namostute.
Namostute.
So Vishnuna vidrute bhumi iti vatsasya vedana. So, sir, our Varna Prashna is a good scientific work. It is not only a punya work, it is a work which will give you incentives to further research. Anavarne ime bhumi, when it is said that bhumi is beautiful, andre, imagine if whether you make beautiful the earth or not, when rain comes, automatically all those seeds which are deep inside the earth will come up, and so greenery comes up.
Yes, sir.
The new leaves come up. That's why the earth is always beautiful. We only make it ugly or otherwise. That's why it is said. So Vishnu is residing in between the regions and being himself all developer, ever antaratma bhutaha. We have got every day morning, you should go to the mirror, look at your figure. So mirror mundu nichoni, చెప్పాలి ఆత్మనే నమః ముందు మీరు నమస్కారం చేసుకోవాలి. ఆ తర్వాత అంతరాత్మనే నమః, అప్పుడు మీ బాడీలో ఉండే అంత స్పేస్ లో నిండి ఉంటాడు పరమాత్మ. The space between lung and heart, or the abdominal contents, or anything, anywhere there is a space in between two fingers. So finger మధ్యలో స్పేస్ లేకపోతే సర్జరీ కావాల్సి వస్తుంది ఒక్కొక్కసారి కొంతమందికి. So God has designed our body with space inside and outside. Therefore, antaratmane namaha. Then you have to also think of the people around. Bhutatmane namaha. Bhuta andre మన ఇంట్లో ఉండే వేరే ప్రాణిಗಳು. Your own kith and kin who inhabit your house. And ivel admele Paramatmane namaha. So beyond all these atmas, there is Paramatma, the God. So beginning from Atma, travel up to Paramatma, standing before your mirror. Because your reflection in the mirror will tell you the presence of all of them in your. So if there is,
ಇದು ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಇರಲ್ಲ. ಹೇಳು ಮಿರರ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಮಾಡು, ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ ಮಾಡು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳೋರು, ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಷ್ಟು ಆತ್ಮನೇ ನಮಃ, ಪರಮಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮಃ, ಭೂತಾತ್ಮನೇ ನಮಃ ಗೊತ್ತಿರಲ್ಲ.
ಸೊ ಎಲ್ಲ ನಿಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಕಂಟೆಂಟ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ರಿಫ್ಲೆಕ್ಟ್ ಆಗತ್ತೆ. ನೀವು ನೋಡೋದು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಪಿಕ್ಚರ್ ಮಾತ್ರನೇ. ಅಷ್ಟು ತನಕ ನಮ್ಗೆ ಜ್ಞಾನ ಇದೆ, ಬಟ್ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಇಮ್ಯಾಜಿನೇಷನ್ ಶುಡ್ ಗೋ ಅಪ್ ಟು ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ. ದಟ್ಸ್ ವೈ ನೀವು ಏನು ಪೂಜೆ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಪರಮೇಶ್ವರ ಪ್ರೀತ್ಯರ್ಥಂ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀವಲ್ವಾ. ಯಾರಿಗೆ ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಪ್ಪ ಅಮ್ಮ ಇನ್ನೊಬ್ರು ಇವ್ರು ಅಲ್ಲ, ಅವರೆಲ್ಲ ಮತ್ತೆ ಬೈತಾರೆ. ಪ್ರೀತಿ ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಚಾಕ್ಲೇಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ರೆ ಸಂತೋಷ, ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಕೊಡ್ಲೇ ಇಲ್ಲ, ಅದು ಯಾಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಮುಟ್ಟಾಳ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಸೊ ದೇ ಆರ್ ಡಿಫರೆಂಟ್. ಬಟ್ ಪರಮಾತ್ಮ ಈಸ್ ಕಂಪ್ಲೀಟ್ಲಿ ನಿತ್ಯ ತೃಪ್ತ, ನಿತ್ಯ ಸ್ನಾತ. ಸೊ ನಿತ್ಯ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ everything is nitya. That's why there is Shankara says at one place, nitya snanasya snanena kim, nitya bhuktasya bhojanena kim, naivedyena kim, nitya pujitasya pujanena kim anta ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ. That's a great Vedantic statement. But kim anta ನಾವು ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು as long as we have our duty is to make them more and more pleased. ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು ಕಾಫಿ ಕೊಡ್ತಾರಲ್ವಾ ಇಮಿಡಿಯೇಟ್ಲಿ. So this is what will happen. That's why it is what said envelopper. Now let's go to next one. Om Iravati Dhenumati Bhutam.
Iravati Dhenumati Bhutam. Om Iravati Dhenumati hi bhutam
Suyavasini Manusheda Sasyai.
Suyavasini Manushe Dashasye Suyavasini Manushe Dashasye
Vrishtabjastabnad Rodasi Vishnavete.
Vyashtabnadrodasi Vishnavete Vyashtabnadrodasi Vishnavete
Dadartha Pruthivi Mapito Mayukai.
Dadartha Pruthivi Mabhito Mayukhaihi Dadartha Pruthivi Mabhito Mayukhaihi.
So, the Paramatma, what is the strength? How does that Paramatma, Surya Bhagavan, will reach all people? So, the Mayukas are the rays are strength to him. So, through the Rekha, through the rays, he will be sending all powers or catering everything in the world. What is dry becomes yet more dry. What is wet becomes dry. And so all that kind of power is there in Surya Bhagavan. For example, even if there is an injury, not bandage, you exposed to sun for a while, for a day, then that all injury goes off.
Yes, sir.
Adana cover ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ರೆ it will not go. Transform ಆಗತ್ತೆ. So Surya is the healer. And for that healing, what is the cause? The rays only. Gali. So, Iravati Dhenumati Bhutam. The earth and heaven are capable of providing food. Suyavasini Manusheda Sasye. So, Dhenumati means cattle. The two are capable, the earth and heaven are capable of providing food. How do? By nurturing good cattle. Dhenu mati Amavaru. Dhenu means productive. That's why it's called milch animals. Meka. Every female animal is giving milk. But for human consumption, only cow, buffalo, and goat. It is said that Gandhi used to drink only goat's milk. But that's why one friend, a Muslim friend, took him to his house and gave him goat mutton, food. He didn't know. He writes in his Atma Katha, in his biography book, autobiography book, that night when he slept, he felt sounds that a goat bleating from his stomach. That was the end of his non-veg touch. That's what he writes. Anyway, so the cattle Dhenumati, and also she is a Suryavasini, means capable of providing variety of grains with its product. So a variety of grains are there. So in Chamakam, we got the list of 11 varieties of grains. Mashasthame, Mudgasthame, Kalvasthame, Godhumasthame, Masurasthame, Priyangavasthame, Navasthame, Syamagasthame, Nivarasthame. In those days, prominently, 11 varieties of grains were there. The Chamaka Adhyayadalli, next to when Rudra Bhashyam, I am coming to Chamakam when once we complete. Yes, there sir. Also you learn a lot. Because Chame means our list is never exhausted even at the deathbed.
Yes, sir.
ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೊಟ್ಟೋಗ್ತೀವಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕನೆಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಸುನ್ನಾಯಿ ಏನೋ ಅರವಾಗ ಕೂಡ ಏನಪ್ಪ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಾರೋ ಇದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ ಬಾರೋ ಅದು ಮಾಡೋ ಇದು ಮಾಡೋ ಇದು ಅಲ್ಲಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಇದಿಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So you have so many instructions to pass on. As you are giving instructions, Yama won't keep quiet. Stop your list. come with me. He will say that, stop your list, come with me, and gone. So that's why here, Suyavasini and Dasasye Manushe, all that is being for the sake of the people who are living upon that. And who is that? A sustainer for all these kind of benefits and utilities upon the earth. Say, people say in our house, utility room antar. Utility room. So, only washing machine. So, utility room is earth also. So, all utility gadgets are being kept up on the earth. And who is the maintainer of that utilitarian things? It is Vishnu. So, Vyastabna, Vishnu Vyastabna, Drodasi, Vishnave, Ete. So, that's, and here, Vishnu is Surya Bhagavan. So, taking the name of Vishnu Tvam, so we see that Surya Bhagavan is Vishnu, present in all and all, in all and all. And so, in Bhutam, he is present in the Bhutam. Bhutam means living beings upon the earth and on all regions. And he is the comfort provider. So, either it is a dog or a cat or a rat or a lion or a tiger, every animal has got comfort upon the land. Because each animal has been vested with some kind of extra faculty. A tiger can scent the kill even when the kill is very far away. A lion can give a lot of himsa to the catch. That's why it is called simham. Himsa. Himsa hetchu madu, maximum himsa is by a lion. Therefore, all people are afraid of the himsins. So, that's why with all these impelling rays, Surya Bhagavan is trying to take care of the needs and necessities and luxuries upon the earth and heaven. In a sense that the need is food, the need is maintenance, and comfort is the extra of that. But all these things he is doing, how? Mayukhaihi. Surya Bhagavan is capable of doing all these things only by virtue of the power which he has got, that he sends through the rays. Therefore, the full human beings are fully evolved beings, and behind the human beings, there is a lot of creation. And in the creation, each one supports each other. Mother supports all the children up to some time. Afterwards, it is supposed that all of them should support mother. And so, for Surya Bhagavan, the Vishnu is the capacity provider, is a character builder, ability builder to everybody. And the sun's rays are the strength of Surya. And therefore, we have the same thing in the Gayatri Mantra. Why Gayatri Mantra has become so famous? Because there is a Vishnu Shakti, Surya Shakti, and Sakaradevata Shakti clubbed in the Gayatri Mantra. Because you just begin the Gayatri Mantra with the Sarvanama Tat. Tat Savituhu Varenyam. No, Savituhu Varenyam is A. But that Savituhu Varenyam, which is a wholesale powerful, is you don't know. What you don't know, you want it to be operative upon you too. Because we don't know what surgeon does on people to correct their mistake, or what the businessman does to gain himself, to make others to lose less, etc. All the secrets are there. So these are all. And therefore, the Gayatri Mantra Upasana, why people recommend it as a maximum thing? Because there are many known and unknown benefits through Gayatri. Tat Savituhu Varenyam Bhargaha. It is a Varenya Bharga. Bharga is Kanti, but that Kanti which is a productive secret serenity provider, that is called Bharga, I mean, Varenyam, selected. And so you have to meditate upon, and upon what you meditate, you are going to reap it. So unless you meditate, you cannot reap things. Therefore, this Gayatri mantra is one which will guide the human intelligence. Dhiyo yona prachodayat. So intelligence is always capable of to be at variety, and we want that intelligence to be better variety. And again, next to Anuvaka tells you, again questions, please repeat. Kim tad Vishnoho balamahu.
Kim tad Vishnor balamahu. Kim tad Vishnor balamahu.
Kadiptihi kim parayanam.
Kadiptih kim parayanam. Kadiptih kim parayanam.
Eko yadhara yaddevaha.
Eko yaddara yaddevaha. Eko yaddara yaddevaha.
Redasi rodasi ubhe.
Rejati rodasi ubhe. Rejati rodasi ubhe.
These are the questions. So, Kim Balam Vishnu Tatu, that unknown strength of Vishnu, what is that? Where from is the strength of Vishnu comes into him? He is also A, like we. Kani, for example, Krishna avatar, what is Krishna? He is Madhava and Manava. The final avatar of Krishna or Vishnu is Manava and Madhava. Something like a car which can go on the road plus in the water, float in the water. See, the technology has gone so high these days. They design the aeroplane goes on the road plus flies in the air. 2 in 1. So that kind of ability or skill is not new in the technology. Already Mahavishnu has got that. So where from does he get the balam? Next, ka diptihi kim parayanam. So dipti is the light, luster, energy. And what is the goal of that energy? So where from is the brilliance? Dipti. And for that dipti, what is the source? Which is the source? Quite resourceful to Vishnu, that he doesn't get exhausted. Rama Yuddha Madi exhaust agibirtane. But again, Gurugal Bartar, Agastya Maharshi, Ella Devata Shakti Karkond Bandu, he will make a Surya Upasana. Because Surya is untiring energy. And morning hengirtano, Sayankala kuda age irtane. He never shows any kind of fatigue, having traveled whole day with such great speed. So that's why we run to have a darshan of Surya Bimba in the morning, Surya Bimba in the evening, when he is setting and rising. And setting sun and rising sun, crimson color, same.
Yes.
Not an iota of tiresomeness is shown. But ನಮ್ಮೆಲ್ಲ ಮಾನವರು ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ ಆಫೀಸ್ ಹೋಗುವಾಗ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಫ್ರೆಶ್ ಆಗಿ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಬರುವಾಗ ಆ ಈಸಿ ಚೇರ್ ಮೇಲೆ ಬಿದ್ದು ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ. They don't go even to kitchen. Demand somebody to bring coffee for you or water for you. So this is the human kind. But Paramatma, Surya Bhagavan, is unlike anybody. So we have to take him as an example and ideal hero. That you must have same strength. He is our role model. And that role model practice should be there to all doctors. ಬೆಳಗ್ಗೆ 9 ಗಂಟೆ ಕ್ಲಿನಿಕ್ ಓಪನ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಸ್ ಎಷ್ಟು ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ನೋಡ್ತಾನೋ, ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ಮಾಡೋ 1 o'clock ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಕೂಡ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಶ್ರದ್ಧೆಯಿಂದ ಕೊನೆ ನೋಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟು ಜನ ನೋಡ್ತಾರಪ್ಪ? So those are really great doctors, and so who never show any kind of difference, whether at 9 o'clock or at 1 o'clock. 1 o'clock ಪೇಷಂಟ್ಗೆ ಕಳಿಸ್ಬಿಡ್ತಾರೆ ಬೇಗನೆ ನೋಡ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಎಲ್ಲ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಡಪ್ಪ ಏ ನರ್ಸ್ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ ದಿ ಡೋರ್ ಅಂತ. I have seen some doctors who give instructions beforehand to start bolting the doors. Then what would the patient mind at that time? Is it not? Hange illi ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ಏಕೋ ಯದ್ಧಾರ. So ಏಕೋ ಆದಿತ್ಯ ಕಿಂ ಪರಾಯಣಂ. So what is the parayanam? What is that will parayana means? What is that sustaining strength? Ayanam is journey. Para means the goal. See, one has to reach the goal. Parayanam is different from parayanam. You know,
okay.
See, para andre fixed goal, other bank. And para is to move other than what you don't know. ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲಿ ಡ್ರೈವ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀರಿ ಅಂತಾರೆ, ನಾನು ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಎಲ್ಲೂ ಕರ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೋಗುತ್ತೋ ಅಂತ. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಗೊತ್ತು, ಈಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಯ್ತು ಆ ಬಿಲ್ಡಿಂಗ್ ಇದೆಯಲ್ಲ ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋದು ಅಂತ. ಸೊ ದಿ ಪರಾಯಣಂ ಅಂಡ್ ಪಾರಾಯಣಂ ದೇ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಎ ಸಟಲ್ ಡಿಫರೆನ್ಸ್. ಸೊ ವಿಷ್ಣು ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಮಾತಾಡುವಾಗ ಇಟ್ಸ್ ಎ ಪರಾಯಣ. That is the sustaining strong goal towards which he has got to go. So this mantra is originally found in the Yajurveda, Rigveda, everywhere, and in Vishnu Sukta also, everywhere it is there, where the Vishnu is being talked about. Now, every now and then we remember Vishnu because Vishnu is Surya Bhagavan only. That's why we call Surya as a Pratyaksha Devata, visible God. We don't know about Vishnu. Only Gombe Akund Kutirtivi. But Surya goes in a bone. You don't want picture of Surya Bhagavan. When you go out, he is highly visible to you with his radiant power, depending upon the time at which you want to look at him. Therefore, Eko yadhara yaddevah rejati rodasi ube. So he is shining both upon the earth and heaven. Manavavataram, Madhavavataram, like Krishna. See, Gokulashtami bartha ide on birthday.
Yes, sir.
And before the birthday, we have the lecture by Aparna on Brahmanas as the text, as the text of Vastu Shastra. You share ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ಗೆ. ವಾಸ್ತು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಲರ್ಟ್ ಆಗ್ತಾರೆ, ಬ್ರಾಹ್ಮಣ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಅಂತಾರೆ. ಗೊತ್ತಿರೋದನ್ನ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲದೆ ಇರುವ ಟೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಇಂದ ಗೊತ್ತು ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಬೇಕು. Try to uncover what is to be covered, what you do not know.
So 29, sir, Doctor.
29 Vastu Shastra ಬಗ್ಗೆ, and we are releasing that Bhagavata Saptasati.
ಹೇಳಿದ್ರಿ ಹೌದು.
And the book is ready almost. So we will have for Krishna Prityartham. Krishna will be happy on my birthday. My talk is being released.
Oh, very nice, sir.
So Saraswati has planned for that, and we are going to get it. So we release the function that, of course, every Sunday we are having holding classes, no matter. So that's why it is like that. Oh, we stop here, Amma, and we continue next with that.
Yeah.
Oh,
27. Om Swasti.
Sahanavavatu.
Sahanavavatu. Sahanau bhunaktu. Sahaviryam karavavahai. Tejasvinavadhitamastu ma vidvishavahai. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Hari Om. Sarvamastu.
Tomorrow is that Soundar Lahari talk. So spread that message to all people. Tomorrow at your evening 7 o'clock.
Evening, Some I have not been able to join. ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ತಾಯಿನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ, ನೀವು ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡು
ಬರ್ಬೇಕು.
ನಿಮ್ಮ ಹೆಂಡತಿನ ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಬಿಡಿ. ask your missus to sit and watch. Because a Natyam, she talks about the concept of dance.